Hi everyone, there is only one more week till our first round at Santa Pod Raceway. So today we're going to check over my bike, that includes giving it a service, and we're going to use our brand new xhype oil. So the first step, we need to take the bodywork off. That's better, we can see what we're doing now. So now we're going to cut the tie wire. This stops the fixing from coming undone. So now we're going to unnip the drain plug. So now we're just going to leave it to drain for a minute. Now we're going to clean the drain plug before putting it back in. Nice and clean now. It's nice and tight now. So now we're going to put a new tie wire on to stop the fixing coming out. So you want to get about halfway and you want to get it down here. But this bit is a bit hard, so I'm going to let my dad do the rest whilst I film. I'm going to cut this tie wire because this is where the new oil's going. So now we've got that open, all we need now is 750 millilitres of the new oil. So this bit, I'm gonna hold the funnel. I'm gonna let my dad pour. And we just put this rag over the exhaust so it doesn't smoke if any oil gets on it. Now the oil's done, we only need a few more tricks to do. So that concludes full checks over my bike. So now we'll see you next week at Santa Pod Raceway.